I'll do that nasty one in a couple of days, I guess.
Perfect.
Looks like they've turned this room around a little bit.
It shows become so funny. It's like, it's such a deep.
All right.
They got a brand new plasma.
I see. Impressive. Impressive TV. Holy shit, it's... Is this New York Red Bull? I don't remember Red Bull wearing these uniforms. Are they still doing that pandemic shit out there in Europe?
Yeah, I think it is. Like Red Bull and Roma.
Oh, fuck. It's the other Red Bull. The one that's not incompetent. Alright, well, I got a soda here. You know, this would actually be a good name for a soccer team. Pig Iron. Look at that. Look at that pig. And, he looks pretty pissed. I think I would be too if they put a ring in my fucking nose. I mean, it's kind of rude to do that to him. And I think this soda might be a little stale. Best Buy 10-10-20. But you know, that's just to shoot just a date. It's not like you're going to get really sick with drinking a soda that's past its expiry date. Well, let's see how this soda comes out. Brand. Golly. You know, sometimes it's a pull tab, sometimes it's not. You never know what you're going to get. So it's important to have this carried with you. All right. Well, kind of a little design on here. Brand, boom, 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 boom. Ah, ah, ah. Paper straws suck. It's an average cola. It's not a terrible cola. It doesn't have a bitter aftertaste. Doesn't have any bitterness. Doesn't have quite the sweetness either. I'm going to give this a 7.4.
Do you think the expiration date has anything to do with it?
Maybe it would have been up a point or two. Maybe a point or two.